Hey there, this is Sumit. So welcome to another React video. Today we'll be using environment variables in a Vite app. Whenever you start a Vite template for React, you have this Vite configuration file in your project directory. This file allows you to configure various settings for your project. If you wish to include environment variables in your app, you need to add a define object in this configuration file. This define object enables you to load environment variables from .env file. Okay, first thing first, let's begin by creating a .env file where you can securely store sensitive keys that you want to keep private and only want to use within your app. Moving on to define object, I'll remove this comment. Here we can load variables from .env file, and it's important to note the correct syntax for a key of a object. I'm using process.n followed by variable's name. The reason behind this is that I'm resolving Node.js in my Vite app, and then obviously conventional way of loading variables from .env file. And make sure to download .env module. Alright, we are all set now. We can finally use environment variables in our app. Remember, in context of Vite app, we need to use import object instead of process.n. This is because we are working within Vite app context, not in Node.js environment. Now let's test if it's working. Woohoo! There you go, it's working perfectly.